Yes, it is. And today we gonna make up some chicken. You might be looking at all them ingredients and asking me what kind of chicken I've been making, but this something them old folks know something about. It's that Gangsta Chicken, y'all. Let me give me a sip of this little drinky drink. Gangsta Chicken. Gangsta Chicken. In the kitchen. Gangsta Chicken. Gangsta Chicken. Gangsta Chicken. In the kitchen. Cooking Gangsta Chicken. Put that oil in that pan. Grab the chicken. Make it dance. No flour. Garlic powder. Parmesan cheese. I ate these. Fruity rice. Sounds nice. Can't sleep. Cut on white. Cut on white. Gangsta chicken. Gangsta chicken. In the kitchen. Cooking gangsta chicken. Gangsta chicken. Gangsta chicken. In the kitchen. Cooking gangsta chicken. Crushed pepper. Red pepper. Cayenne pepper. Louisiana. In the kitchen. Gangsta chicken. In the kitchen. Cooking gangsta chicken. Frito criollo. Mojolo criollo. Modelo especial. A1 special. Riscata adobo. Do you wanna try this at home because you think it's all gone? Your fingers gotta be gone. Gangsta chicken. Gangsta chicken. In the kitchen. Cooking gangsta chicken. Got my gangster friend. He's a gangster, man. He cook it up, but don't eat it up. He just eat it up, fry it up, tie it up. Garbage bag, safety lock, tie it up. Do it big. All day, berry punch, the gangster way. Wrinkled shirt, dog tags, red slippers. Let's go to work. No cash in my pocket. Get it done.
Wait, turn that
Stop
light off.
me from doing what I want to do. You Gangsta Chicken. Let's make it all. Come on, Holmes. Gangsta Chicken. Gangsta Chicken. In the kitchen, cooking Gangsta Chicken. And that's how you do it, man. Gangsta Chicken all day.
Do that thing.
See? You make the thing Gangsta Chicken. See? It ain't no chicken like no Gangsta Chicken. No, they say that Haru, JJ's, Firehouse, Red Snapper, Churros. It ain't no chicken like no Gangsta Chicken. I've been eating Gangsta Chicken since I was 3. And it ain't nothing wrong with me.